How's going everyone? Welcome to my brand new unboxing video. Towheed here from Towheed Tech. In today's video we are going to take a look into Sony A7 IV full frame hybrid camera with the Sony 28 to 70mm f3.5 kit lens which launched in 2021. I already opened up the outer box when I received the delivery just to check up any damage to the item. So let's take the inner box out and let me show you actual original Sony A7 IV box. So it's been well packed. So I just checked up when I received the camera. So here is A7 IV full frame hybrid camera with a kit lens. Let me tell you about some of its main features. So this Sony A7 IV have 33 megapixel full frame 3.5mm image sensor. This one can record 4K 60p video in 10-bit, also HDR. This one have a 5-axis steady shot, real-time autofocus, vari-angle 3-inch touchscreen, and large capacity Z battery. Price for this one with a kit lens on Amazon is around £2,500. And if you just buy the body only, the price would be $21.99. You can buy separately your desired level lens, new or used one. You can buy from the third-party website also. So let's open up the box and take a look into the inside content. So this one is still sealed. I haven't opened up this one because the box looks all right to me. So let's take a look into that one. We'll open up this one. So here is some of paperwork and warranty card. There's a wee package. Look like is a. We'll open up this one. Look like is a USB A to USB-C cable. Put that on the side. Let's open up this. There's a more booklets, user manual, some of the warranty paper and user guide. Put that on the side. There's a two different kind of power cables, one for UK plug and one for to use in Europe or in Asia. Put that on the side. And there's one Sony strap inside here. Put that on the side. There should be a large capacity Z battery in there. Now this one is a charger, so you can connect your cable here just like that, and you can use your cable to charge up your camera. Put that on the side. This one is a battery, quite heavy. So this one is a large capacity Z battery from Sony. This one have 16.4 watt 2280 milliamp. So should be a good one. And here is the camera lens. Here is the camera lens, 28 to 70mm f3.5 optical steady shot inside, and this is a lens cover. So put that on the side. We'll take a look into in a second. Here is a actual camera body here. So let's put the box and everything on the side first. So this is the actual camera, quite nice, strong, premium feeling, good hand grip, tilted screen, vari-angle tilted screen. You can close up this way as well just to protect that one. So let me show you around the camera. There's some dials and buttons on the top. There's a few buttons and dials. You can customize few of the extra dials in there. And there's a record button. There's a image capture button and the power button on the same. You can customize the C2 button. There's a C1 button and AF on button a back. There's a texture button, clicky button, like a joystick you can move around. There's a movable selector button as well. On the right side there is slot for the SD card, just slide open just like that. So this one have a dual slot, this one have a CFS Express A card slot, and the SD card same 2-in-1 in the one, and the one is the SD card, so you can use 2 cards same time. On the bottom there is a battery compartment, just open like this. On the bottom there is a screw hole to attach your tripod and the other accessories. On the left side there's a few connectors here. First of all, you can connect your mic, external mic in here, and the second one you can put your headphone jack in there, and then third one there's a USB-C and multifunctional connector in there. And there's also one more connector here which is full size HDMI. You can now able to use full size HDMI directly from your camera to your computer or to your TV screen. On the front there's a lens mount and there's a indicator light. Very nice feeling texture on the camera, very premium feeling, and says A7 Sony texture, quite nice. On the top you can connect your external mic. You can use the Sony mic. I do have the original Sony mic, I can attach that one. So while you are using this one with the mounting here, you don't need to put the cable. That will automatically link the mic to the camera system externally, so you don't have to use the 3.5 mm cable with this one. Let's put that on a side first. Let's put the battery inside and turn up this one. So I'm going to put the battery there, and we're also going to connect our lens. So what I have to do is I have to align 2 white dots in here and just click like that. You will hear the clicky noise and it's on the place. I also should put the SD card in there. I'm using the ScanDisk Extreme Pro. This one can transfer your data 170 megabyte per second. This one 120 gigabyte. So I'm using that one at the moment. There you go. Let's turn on this one. So hopefully there's some battery in there. There's no juice. I have to charge up. Let me charge up the battery a little bit and then we'll talk about a little bit, and I'll show you some of these menu functions in there as well. So guys, let's take a look into the menu system as well. So Sony have updated the menu system into the Sony A7 IV. So this is a new menu system. You can use the touch screen, or you can use the joystick button to move around the menu system, and you can adjust your image quality, video mode, your exposure, white balance. So this is not a review video. I will make another review video about this camera and full guidance. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel, and I will bring you a review video of Sony A7 IV. And I have to show you some of the old accessories which I'm going to use with this camera. So I have a Sony microphone which I was using with the Sony ZV-10 camera for my vlogging video and for unboxing video. So I'm going to use this wireless mic with this one. I do also have a DJI mic. I can use that one as well. And I also have a leftover from Sony ZV-10. I have a grip and tripod. I can use this one with my new camera to make some vlogging videos outside and also unboxing video inside the studio. So if you like my unboxing video, please support my channel considering subscribe and like to this video, leave your comment, and I will see you in next one.